You might be posting video every day, but you don't get views. You don't know why. The question here is, have you verified your YouTube channel? That's the main thing. If you didn't verify your YouTube channel, there was no way YouTube they are going to recommend your content. Even if you upload a day 20 video, YouTube they are not going to recommend your content because of they don't know who you are. Are you robot? Are you human being? You have to verify your YouTube channel. Now go and check your YouTube channel. Have you verified? I'm going to teach you the way you can verify your YouTube channel, and you know that from today YouTube they are going to recommend your video in the right way and to the right people. But if you didn't verify before, now it's time to go to verify. Otherwise you are going to post a video every day and YouTube they are not going to recommend your video. First, if you are using your phone, okay, if you are going to use your phone, you are going to verify your phone, go to Chrome. When you go to Chrome, you write youtube.com/verification on Chrome. After that, it's going to take you, you're going to see this setting sign. So it's going to take you to this setting sign if you are going to use your phone. So from there, we'll be together, then we go as normal. Me, I'm going to use my laptop, but if you're using your phone, you can start following me from there. Here you see setting here. You click here to the setting. After when you click to the setting, it's going to bring you here. So when you came here to the channel. You see here is showing channel. You click here to the channel. When you click here to the channel, you came here where it say feature eligibility. You click here to the feature eligibility. If you verify, no problem. If you didn't verify, it's going to show. If you didn't verify, here is going to show you this one. Now it's not going to show you embed. It's not going to show. It's going to show you this one. You see now this what is going to show you if you didn't verify. So that's the difference. If you verify and you didn't verify, it's not going to show you same. So if you didn't verify, it's going to show you. If you didn't verify, it's going to show you this one. You see. But if you verify, it's okay. Like mine, I've already verified. But if you didn't verify, it's going to show you there. So if you scroll, it's going to show you to the verification. You click to the verification. After that, you are going down here. You write your phone number. Okay. You write your phone number. When you write your phone number, you verify your phone number. Okay? You verify your phone number. When you verify your phone number, then they are going to send you a code. Then when you write your phone number, you finish. You write your country, that your YouTube channel. Then you go next. After next, okay? Then they will ask you, do you want text? Do you want call? It's better to select the text. Take the text. Text is the best one. After that, when you take the text, then they are going to send you a code. Okay, they're gonna send you a code. When they send you that code, you take that code, you put here. When you put here, you finish, then you verify. After that, it's going to be like this. You see, it's going to be like this. So if you came inside, you're going to see like this. Verification is clear. But if you read on this top message here, it says that verify your phone number. To verify your channel, you will be asked to enter the phone number. We will send you a verification code by the text or voice call to phone number. So the time you select, they want to make sure we take spam and abuse seriously. Using the phone number to verify identity is one of our protecting our community and combat abuse, because they don't want to come here to do something other people you just abuse or you do something bad they are not happy with. So that's why they make this one very, very important. Okay, after that, when you finish on that, the other thing people they are making mistake on, special, let me say, it's small YouTuber, is when they just upload a video. The time they are going to upload a video, thumbnail is very, very important. Okay, thumbnail is very important on this street. When you are going to upload your video, YouTube, they give you 3 options. 3, 1, 2, 3. YouTube, they give you that 3 option. I'm going to show you the 3 option, why they give you that 3 option. The 3 option, they got different meaning, okay? So we start here. I'm going to show you when you go to your video, okay, we go to the video. So we go to this video, you see, if I click this video and I scroll down, okay, I scroll down, I came here to the thumbnail. Here it say auto generated. It means like automatic generated. This is what they pick for you. They pick for you this one. Again, they give you this one, test it and compare. They want to make the similar, which one is good for you, is going to rank, okay? And they give you this upload. You can upload these 3. But people, they don't understand. These 3 thumbnails are very important on this 3. When you are going to upload this 3 thumbnail, you are going to take 1, 2, 3. You take thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to show you example, guys. Let me go to the thumbnail. So you see, and all the time, the other thing, all the time when you are going to upload your videos on your thumbnail, anything, don't upload a thumbnail with only this number. You see, this is like a code number of the app you download. You just create your thumbnail, you see. So don't do this with your video. What you do, you take this one, you delete this one, then you write the title of your video on the thumbnail before even you didn't upload the thumbnail on your video. You click, okay, you paste. Like this one is my title, and I'm going to use this one, the second thumbnail, and I delete that one. I'm going to write again my other thumbnail. You see, these are my thumbnails I just pick. So I want to take one of thumbnail. I'm going to go with that. So on that, I will take like this one. So it's going to ask me, do you want to remove? So if I want to remove, I say yes. I don't want to remove, so I leave the way it is, you see. So on this one, if I write the same, it's gonna tell me that no. So you see, on this one, I want to make a space. I will add like 1 number. So to make these 2 to be different thumbnail, but they are same thumbnail. If I zoom, you're going to see on this thumbnail is gonna come here. Okay, 2 thumbnail. File is bigger than 2. Okay, because it's already showed there was 2 thumbnails in same time. Okay, I need only 1. Only 1? Yes, not 2. Okay, you see it's downloading here. 1 thumbnail is here. Okay, so I don't want to use this one. Still, I have to go back and again change this one, because I got all those options of those 3 thumbnails. Then after you finish your thumbnail, you see, after you finish your thumbnail, everything you finish from there, from your thumbnail, anything you want to do, you see that was my thumbnail, everything is here. Then when you finish your thumbnail, you finish everything, you know, like, okay, I already download the 3 thumbnail, I finish everything. So now what am I going to do? You see their thumbnail, you see all these are their thumbnails, the way they look. You see there, this is the video I did, and these are their thumbnail. You see, even it pick my video I post today. It pick even my video I post today is here. This is my video I post today. So it pick that video. So you see, it show all the thumbnail we got the similarity. This is the thumbnail we got similarity. So if I go back and you see my someone thumbnail, or you can just see make similar video with the one you are going, your competitor, like, okay, I'm going to make similar, like, let people after they watch her video or they see mine and they see him, let person select which one is going to click, the mine or the other video. That also is going to help you to start getting more viewers. So make sure on your thumbnail, try to check someone you are going to do the same video, and those different apps that are going to help you, especially if you are using a vidIQ. vidIQ is going to give you all those idea how you can just create your thumbnail and who's your competitor, what are you going to do, which topic is going to rank, which topic is good that time is ranking. So try to go with the people how they doing, then on that time you start getting more and more views. But make sure you verify your YouTube channel. If you want to get more views, make sure you verify your YouTube channel. Otherwise YouTube, they are not going to recommend your video at all. You will keep posting video every day, you do everything, but nothing is gonna work until you verify who you are. Thank you very much guys. Please and please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to share the video guys. And make sure guys all the time to leave your feedback. If you learn something from my video, if you want me to react to another video that you want me to do for you, even if it's special for you, you want me to teach you, there was some problem you go with your videos or on your channel, let me know to the comment section, then I'll try to do video for you. Thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.